Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Accord gas cap. First, ensure your vehicle is parked and turned off for safety. Locate the fuel door release lever, usually found on the floor or lower dashboard to the left of the driver's seat. Pull this lever firmly upwards or outwards to unlatch the fuel door. You will hear a small click as it releases. Once the fuel door is unlatched, gently push it open. It should swing outwards easily. Now you will see the gas cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. You should hear about 3 to 5 clicks as the cap loosens, indicating the seal is broken. Continue turning until the cap is completely free from the fuel filler neck. With the cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into the filler neck and begin refueling your Honda Accord. Once you have finished adding fuel, carefully remove the nozzle. To replace the gas cap, align it with the filler neck and turn it clockwise. Continue turning until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks, ensuring a secure and proper seal. Remember to always turn off your engine completely before you begin refueling to prevent any safety hazards. Avoid overfilling your fuel tank, as this can damage the evaporative emissions system. Always ensure the gas cap is securely tightened until it clicks 3 or more times to prevent fuel vapor leaks and maintain optimal fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.